Chatting YouTube, it's your boy Chevy, man. We're back with another video. Finna explain to y'all on how to get this damn headlight out. Well, y'all can actually see shit. I done did pretty much everything now, but alright. So this gonna be right here. So you gotta get all these fucking tabs out. All these tabs. All of them. Then once you take this off, you're gonna need to take these two screws out, which is gonna be like this. And it's gonna be a 10 mil. 10 mil on taking it off. I advise y'all get something like this to take it off, cause it's more easier. Then, once you get done, you gotta crawl to the side. You gotta get 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 right here. And then you got fucking 10 and 12 of them at the bottom. And then you do the same thing on this side. That's how you got them out right here. These are the bottom ones. These are the tops. And these are the top for this right here. And then after a while, that's when the bumper gonna come on off. And that's how you get the damn headlight out. But to get the headlight out though, you gotta get this screw right here. And what the other one that is up in here somewhere. I think it's right. Man, I'm so damn hot. Oh yeah, you gotta get that screw right here. And that's how you get a fucking Chevy headlight out.